Okay, I'm ready. I've learned a lot, and learning how to use the equipment, just weld, cut metal, do some heavy duty auto equipment mechanics. It's been really fun. I wish that I could come back, and I hope to come back.
I wanted to learn about this because I wanted to see what my grandfather got experience with. And I like to do hands-on work. It's pretty nice.
A lot of these things that are important to me because future jobs, having the skills to pay the bills, and most importantly, I gotta keep my family proud.